Things have changed a lot over the last 50 years. Folks are looking for a lot of different ways to interact with brands on their terms. Digital plays a tremendous role in that.
The reason technology is so important to us is we're in a highly, highly competitive business.
Whether it's folks ordering through our mobile app, through the internet, it's really about just redefining convenience. Google Cloud is an industry leader, right? They have the potential to be disruptive on a regular basis. That's what we like to be as well.
We chose Google because of their culture. In a lot of ways, it's very similar to Wendy's. It's a very innovative culture. It's a culture of hands-on.
We wanted to build new and unique things in the space, and so we wanted a partner that was super heavy in the engineering front, which is another reason why Google was a good fit for us. The digital platform is really about offering up things for our developers that are kind of out of the box, service offerings. Just simplifying how quickly folks can get up and running when it comes to building out capabilities inside of any of our applications or APIs. Instead of having a team that's managing databases, another team that's thinking about security, maybe another team that's thinking about infrastructure, it's this concept of how do you have total ownership inside of the organization.
Carrick, we really take a product-minded approach to how we help our clients work with their platforms, starting kind of soup to nuts of like, okay, who is the customer? Who is the person who's going to be using this? What do they want? How do we make that a reality for them? We're here to lend our expertise and our experience with building these platforms. But in the end, the client themselves is going to have to operate this thing. So it's really important for us that we not only build the technology and provide that kind of consulting experience, but also enable them to be able to run on their own once our engagement is done.
The move to the cloud was always sold on was speed. You can convert speed. The team that Google put on the field and the large number of people we've recruited to come join our company, all of a sudden we've got a culture of innovation, a culture of a bias for speed. There's a couple of things that Google's helped us with in terms of driving our digital percentage. They're a very, very consumer-focused company.
We've had some strong digital business for a while. 11% is a tip of the iceberg. It's really thinking about how does the acceleration that the implementation of a digital platform in GCP bring, and how does that drive us not to 12% or 13%, but to 20% or 30% or 40%. Platform engineering is extreme ownership at its finest. It's focused on one team, one outcome, and that outcome is delivering service offerings and developer accelerator tooling for all the folks inside of your development organization that really just want to go off and build things in service of the business. That shift in mindset has helped us rapidly accelerate the way that we create and deliver value over time.
We've really built a really nice partnership with Wendy's. We initially started working with them in their platform engineering team. They knew they needed a platform that they were going to be modernizing a lot of their applications onto. They were looking for people with experience both building platforms and with GCP. It's really a rewarding experience for everybody, for both our engineers and for their engineers. And you can be that tightly integrated with a client and really help accelerate their goals.
What attracts technologists is working on really hard problems. And to a certain extent, the harder the problem, the more attractive it is. The other thing technologists love to do is they love to innovate. What we've been able to demonstrate time and time again is Wendy's is on that leading edge. Our partnership with Google is literally first in the industry kind of stuff. I hope when people outside our company look at those things, they say, I want to go work for Wendy's. It's got a great brand, it's got a great reputation, and man, their technology rocks.